Hello, good day, and God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sarath C, and welcome to the Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today's special seminar is a deep, investigative presentation on the Indian Air Force's Airbus C-295 aircraft, examining its full deployment program, technical capabilities, induction status, and how it aligns with global aviation and aerospace standards. This is a documentary-style narrative, combining detailed reporting with regulatory context and technical explanation. The EADS CASA C-295, chosen by India to replace its aging Avro HS-748 fleet, is a twin-turboprop tactical transport aircraft designed for medium-lift operations, paratroop drops, surveillance, and humanitarian relief missions. In September 2021, the Indian Ministry of Defence signed a 20,000 crore rupees contract with Airbus Defence and Space and Tata Advanced Systems Limited to procure 56 C-295Ws. 16 aircraft were to be delivered fly away from Spain by August 2025, while the remaining 40 are to be assembled in India at a new final assembly line, STOL, in Vadodara, Gujarat, with increasing indigenous content reaching 75% by end of production. As of January 2025, the Indian Air Force inducted its first C-295 with registration CA-7101 at Agra AFS, followed by successive deliveries, CA-7102 in California 7103 in May, CA-7104 in California 7105 in July, and the 6th by October 2024. The STOL in Vadodara was inaugurated by high-profile leaders, and by early 2025, the squadron achieved initial operational capability. From an international aviation standard perspective, the C-295 meets all ICAO certification criteria for regional military transport, with its high wing design facilitating operations from short, unpaved strips, rear ramp loading, and simplified logistics. The aircraft's avionics suite aligns with EASA CS-25 regulations, including advanced navigation, weather radar, and compatibility with global navigation satellite systems. In aerospace engineering terms, the C-295 uses the Shinmever aft fuselage design reinforced with robust alclad aluminum alloys, twin PW127G turboprops providing optimized fuel consumption and performance at medium altitudes, and redundant hydraulic, electrical, and flight control systems aligned with FAR 14 CFR Part 23 and EASA CS-23 standards for transport aircraft. The project aligns with global Make in India aviation goals, strategic technology transfer, local manufacturing, and an indigenous MRO ecosystem. The Tata Airbus Consortium developed avionics, composite structures, and interiors with active cooperation from Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, and Bharat Dynamics. A full mission simulator installed at Agra enables crew training to ICAO Crew Resource Management (CRM) standards, improving pilot proficiency and safety ethos. Social and operational benefits reflect international practice. C-295 support troop insertion, disaster relief, medical evacuation, and maritime surveillance missions. Their capacity of 9 tons payload, range of 2,300 plus nautical miles, and compatibility with rough runways, make them very suitable for India's tactical requirements. These missions follow global aerospace standards for maritime patrol, MRMRA, and multi-mission patrol aircraft with sensor integration built to NATO standard STANAG protocols. Safety, maintenance, and lifecycle management follow EASA and FAR continuing airworthiness norms, with scheduled D-check cycles, corrosion control programs, and comprehensive reliability records shared among global fleets. The aircraft's service ceiling, stall margins, and flight envelope have been tested extensively in both high-altitude ablative environments and hot humid climates, matching climate-adapted testing done for African and Latin American operators. In sum, the IAF's Airbus C-295 induction is a textbook example of applying international-level aviation and aerospace standards to a regional defense transport solution. It blends modern engineering, rigorous certification, local manufacturing, and mission versatility. Thank you for watching this detailed documentary-style seminar on the Indian Air Force's Airbus C-295 induction. If you found it insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Your comments, questions, and feedback help shape our next investigations. Stay tuned for more expert technical reviews and aviation solution reports coming soon. This is Sarath C wishing you a good day, safe travels, and may God bless you always.